Procescio offers you the tools to do so. Data has multiple formats, multiple structures, multiple ways in which you have access to it. Procescio also has the capability for you to model the data, regardless if it is received or you have access to it from a database in a tabular format or from a file like Excels, like spreadsheets, CVS, TXT, XML, JSON, PDF, docs. Regardless of how that data resides and how you can get access to that, Procescio is able to process that data, model that data, and put it in another format. Obviously, you need to be technical for you to be able to model and manipulate the data that you get access to it. So you change it in another format so you are able to do the next step in the process that you're building. Because in processes, there's always a next step. You get access to the data, how you need to do something with it. After you do something with it, you need to send it back or inform somebody or trigger an approval flow or send it to another system that gets that data in another format. So you need to model the data all the time. You need to model the data, and Procescio offers you the tools to do so. You need to know what are the techniques, because Procescio allows you to use whatever technique you want, but you need to understand those techniques. Like, you could use data models directly from Procescio, or you could use scripting. Like you could use Python, you could use JavaScript, Node.js, C#. So we can also build other scripting languages. If one of our clients requires this, we can implement other scripting languages directly within Procescio, so users can use those scripting languages out of the box in Procescio. But you need to understand those techniques. Procescio gives you the tools, but it doesn't do it for the user automatically. You can also process unstructured data, but for that you need to use AI. Like you need to use OpenAI, or you could use other large language models which know how to enforce a certain data structure that it's outputted from those. But you need to understand those techniques in order to use that. And we help you. Like, we are here to support our users, regardless if it is community users, paid clients, or implementation partners. We are here to empower everybody in order to use our technology as best as possible, as effectively as possible, and as fast as possible, because that's what it's all about. Use it fast.